So we're wrapping up the Van Enthusiast meet. So I'm thinking March. We'll go to the same campground. That campground is very significant other friendly with the clean bathrooms. So I'm thinking March. It's far, but not too far away. So I'm giving you guys plenty of time. And then you said you're headed to Southern California.
Yeah, maybe we might do something. I've got the last week of October and the first week of November, so we might be around.
So I'm thinking maybe we could do a mini meet. Like just meet up at a, we'll do the Fraser thing. We'll do the pilot camping. Just meet up, chit chat, talk about vans all day. I'm pretty sure if we meet up there, we're gonna talk for like 5 hours talking about van stuff. So
Absolutely.
So here you go. This van's still here. So my girlfriend put this on Instagram, these 3 vans, and I said, you put the pretend van meet guy in? And she was like, I'm making your van meet look bigger than it is. So that's editing right there. So she added all 3 of the vans on her Instagram. That's Instagram manipulation, right? This is a nice van though. See, when I look at this, I'm like, man, why isn't this person converting their van? So there you go. So Southern California. Let's do it. Minivan meet. Just a get together. How's that? Congratulations to Cool Change. He just ordered an Action Van suspension lift kit for his Econoline. I'm really looking forward to your thoughts on the lift kit once it's installed. You're going to love your van. You're going to love it even more. And you could never leave a comment too long on my channel. That's what I enjoy the most, reading your comments, responding to comments, and making friends here on YouTube. We just wrapped up the van meet, me and Holdfast. Shout out to my girlfriend. She had to listen to 10 plus hours of van talk on Saturday. On Saturday night into Sunday, she had to listen to hours and hours of van talk. She was a real trooper for that, and last second, she found a campground for us. I thought the van meet was going to be held at a pilot parking because our original campground was canceled due to fire. So that's what I thought was going to happen. Me and Holdfast were going to meet at a pilot and just have our van meet at a pilot. So she pulled through for us and we got to hang out. We got to do our first van meet. The Enthusiast van meet, we got to do it at a real campground, at a cool spot, a really cool spot. And it was a lot of fun. This is a start of the Enthusiast van meet. It takes 2. It takes 2 people to pioneer a meet. Me and Holdfast, we did it. We pulled it off. I'm seeing new faces in the comments. And I would love to see more of you guys join us. So we're thinking March. March for another big van meet. I'm thinking Dinky Creek Campground again. It was a really good campground. It's a good spot for a van meet. And we're also thinking maybe early November, a mini van meet. Let's do it here. This is the Gorman Fraser Mountain Park pilot. I've slept here a few times. I'll flash the address right here. If you guys want to map it and figure out how, beep, beep, beep. Hi. Hello. So if you guys want to join us, go ahead and map it out. See how far it is. Get an idea how far it is. If you got a van build with nowhere to go, you want to test out what it's like to sleep in your van, how about a mini meet over here in this parking lot? Look, that guy's van camping, RV van camping, minivan van camping. And that's it. I think that's it right now. That's it in this parking lot. Only 2 today. I'm not sleeping here tonight. I'm gonna head out. I'm gonna head into Pilot right now, get some food. But I've slept here several times. It's a cool spot. So go ahead and map it out. check out how far it is from you guys. If you guys want to try out your van build, there's the address right there. Let me know. And maybe in March we could go for another big van meet. Holdfast got me this gift, so I'm going to go ahead and do an unboxing here, unpackaging, see what it is. Oh, cool. These are some good knives. Nice. Thank you, sir. Very kind of you. My girlfriend actually asked me, do you have a knife on you? I said, no, I have a two-way thing. Keep it with me all the time now. There you go.